In residence, we'll have you think about the process before the process. Our workshops produce concepts, not mere functions. We take you exploring design. Our project is about cultural reflection. We investigate meanings before artifacts. We think that design should be tangible and cultural. In residence traces the story of humans and things. We form bonds and share knowledge. We're constantly on the outlook for things that are worth telling. Our workshops train the designers of tomorrow. That's why we choose tutors that are mentors. We want to shape the future together. In Residence Scouts the best for the best. We engage with what is new, bold, and different. Our network enhances your talent. We experiment across all fields of design. Whatever we find, we bring to the world. We're agents of innovation and its diffusion. We're going to design an experience. We're going to experience design. This is In Residence. Talk to us.